Okay, so ahead of time, I found something that I really wanted to put into my Google site. So what I'm going to do is actually go to my lesson plans page. I'm going to click Edit Page. And then I'm going to put in a Prezi. And I forgot about it. So what I'm actually going to do is, instead of trying to search through this, I'm going to go back to Google and search for astronomy Prezi. And you know, I recommend using Google to do all your searches. I do not recommend trying to type in word for word every, or letter for letter and symbol for a website. There's just no need to do that. And the easiest way for me, when I start typing like Google, you'll see that it pops up right there underneath. So I just hit the down arrow and enter, and it takes me directly to it. Then I just put in whatever it is I'm searching for. I want an astronomy Prezi. Oh, this Andrew Jackson dude is really good. So this is an amazing Prezi right here. It's an excellent demo of how rich a Prezi can be. So I found my Prezi. I just want to go to share, and then I want to embed it actually. So I'm going to highlight, click copy to clipboard, go back to my website tab, and then I'm going to use this fancy HTML source code. Now don't get freaked out by all this stuff. You just know that you want to put it in the blank space. So I just go down to the blank space. This BR right here means a break in the line, or a space, so they're just going to put another line in between. You can change this after you've embedded it. So I've copied my embed code, and here I can just right click and hit paste, or I can go Control V, and here it is. So I click update. That's fine. Now let's see if it worked. Cross your fingers. And here we go. So now I have this rich Prezi full of information for my students to browse on my website. So again, they don't have to go find it. You don't have to post a link. It's right here. So it makes life really easy. If you push play, then it will begin to take you through the various areas of the Prezi. He has videos embedded, photos. This is an amazing Prezi, so a great resource. Okay, finally we need to talk about putting in a photo. So I just put my cursor here and hit enter twice. But see this little label down here? I maybe want to keep that with my other stuff. So I'm going to keep that up there. Oops. And push return. And then we're going to insert a image. Now you can do this one of two ways. If you find an image like on Flickr, like Google, and my Flickr account is Learning Rocks My Socks. Oops, that's my blog at Flickr. And let's see, okay, one other thing I wanted to show you here is just the basic Google page layout. It was easy to find what I was looking for because I was looking for some key things like photo here, or I was looking for some things like Flickr. Okay, use these addresses that are in green to figure out what exactly you're looking at before you go clicking around. I clicked on this one at first because I didn't read closely enough that it was just learningrocksmysocks.com. So just a little tip there. You can also use the words here to figure out if that's what you really want. So just a little side note about how to maximize efficiency using a Google search. So I want to share it, put in this, copy this code, go back, see, and that's it. Maybe that will work. Wrigley Field Panorama. Nope, so it looks like my image is not correct, so let's keep looking here. Maybe the light box. And I'm, you know, this is how you learn how to do technology, exactly like I'm doing here. Just by playing with it and figuring out which works. Now, the way I know that this isn't working is because right here it says if your URL is correct, you'll see an image appear here. So I know that I'm not getting that right. So I'm going to keep going back and keep trying different things until I figure out exactly. So it says looking for HTML. In the share menu above the photo. So it looks like I can't get that because I put some limitations on this. So the next best thing I can do is save it or download it. So I just clicked on download the large size. Alright, now it's here. And to make my life easier, I'm going to put this on the desktop. Yes, you will. File, save as. Oops. I'm just going to click here on what are you doing? Desktop. Save it. Close out of this. Close out of this. Here's my photo. I'm going to go back down here to my page I'm working on. And I'm not going to close this out until I know for sure that I've got what I wanted. So we'll do that. And then since I couldn't find the web address, I'm just going to upload an image. So I click Browse, go to my desktop, and find the one I was, okay, look. So this says modified today at 10:25, so that's the one I was working on. Takes a second, so I click OK, and boom. Here is my picture of Wrigley Field, the panorama that I put together in Photoshop. So I'm done with that. Click Save, and there you have it. Now, I don't want you to be discouraged because I had to go to all those steps to find a picture. Usually these are going to be pictures that you have yourself, so you won't have to do as much looking. Let me show you how that works out. So basically, let's say I want to put another picture in here. Insert image. I'm going to browse again, and maybe I want to use this capsules or Chicago. No, that's a different kind of file. Maybe I want to go to me, pictures. Maybe I want this one. Maybe this one. Okay, and there it is.